marami na talagang nagbago, Sid. Move on din naman. Ay, naku, ikaw talaga. Bawal dito ang mag-relapse.
Uy, dyan na Jenzy ka dyan. Alam mo ba ibig sabihin ng relapse?
Che?
Relapse pa kasi my loves. Uy, huwag ka tunog. Siguro kaya tayo bagay. Kasi relapse tayo.
Ay, naku, ayaw ko sa'yo, Sid. Alam mo, magkukulapse ako sa'yo.
Why you wanna fight with me, baby? Wouldn't you rather make love tonight? Tell me why you wanna fight with me, baby. Let me show